What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you had a great and wonderful Thanksgiving holiday and you were safe. All right. So we're back. What's today? Saturday, right? And what I want to do real quick is just go over this special promo. But before we get into that, if you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, want to show you this special real quick. If you want to check out my project, see what I got going on, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, see what we have going on. All right, so let's go over this. Check this out, if you will. All right, we've got a 3-day workshop so that you can make 2025 your year of earning online. All right, this is going to be on December 3rd, 4th, and 5th. It's a Black Friday special. All right, you've seen me post about it. But now I want you to check out this little clip here. All right, and then we're going to go over this just a little bit here. All right, so let's go over here. Hang on. All right, so check this out. Short little clip that's going to explain this promo, Black Friday promo. Take advantage of this. To get started, you're going to go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, let's go. Check it
First,
out.
I want to congratulate you for being here. That is the first step in wanting to create that extra cash for the holidays and wanting to make sure your 2025 is the best year of your life. So I'm going to be doing a workshop where you and I are going to be working together for 3 days. And actually, I'm going to give you a bonus day of Q&A so I can really make sure you understand what you learned in the 3 days. Now, the first day, we're going to lay out your foundation for launching and growing your own online business. And no, you don't need a following. You don't need any type of tech skills, right? You don't need any type of experience, right? I am literally going to lay the foundation out for you of how to launch a business. And then day 2, we're going to go into the marketing, how to attract people to your online business. Now, here's what I love about this, because I'm going to show you how to grow a predictable income stream so you don't have to bother friends and family, so you don't have to live in DMs to build an income. I'm going to show you how to use the World Wide Web to attract people to you. And then day 3, we're going to talk about scaling and automations. And I'm going to break down exactly how to reach 10K a month consistently from the comfort of anywhere. And I'm going to really help you mastering your time as well, because I want to actually show you how you can get your income earning activities done in just 2 hours a day. So this workshop will be for 3 days. Now, the next day we're going to get back on and I'm going to just do a Q&A. I'm going to help peel back the layers, help answer any questions that you have. And I'm also going to give you a free automated system. All you have to do is plug in your information and we are going to break that down for you as well. Now, here's something else. This is a learning and earning process. So after you get on those 3 days, we can show you how to launch your business. And literally at the end of those 3 days, you, my friend, can have a fully automated system out there working for you, ready to take payments into your bank account. So because it's Black Friday and it's the holidays, we are doing this workshop for only $67. Now, typically I would charge like $1,997, but Black Friday special, you get this and the replays, lifetime access to the replays, access to a fully automated system for only $67. And again, if you can't get on live, you'll get the replays sent out to you. So I am looking forward to get to know you better and working closely with you during this 3-day workshop. So I'll see you.
Is that cool or what, guys? Now, first and foremost, I want to say that this funnel, this page you're looking at, is absolutely already done for you. I didn't have to create this. All this was already done for us. Okay, because I'm already a member. I already own the products for Legacy Builder Program. Okay, whether it's the 100, 300, 600, or 900, you can get this funnel. It's already done. Okay, so step-by-step instructions on how to get your funnel like this. That's number 1. So you want to purchase the program so that you can have this as a 5th opportunity. Okay, that's what this is about as well. Okay, so if you've already purchased one of these 4 programs, you can go into the system, go in the community, find this information. You will see where they have given us this funnel. It's already done for us, this Black Friday funnel. Once you have purchased those programs, any one of those programs, you're able to have this as a 5th opportunity, income stream. Okay, that's number one. Number two, you want to get this thing before, what's this date? The 3rd. You want to go ahead and get into the legacy program so that you can have this as a 5th opportunity. You have to purchase one of the 4 legacy programs in order for you to be able to offer this. Okay? Now, and because even after this is over, guys, we will have access to this. This will be forever green. It's a workshop. So you can always have this as a 5th income. Okay? But you need to purchase the legacy program, one of those programs. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com, pick one of those. Then you'll have access to this free funnel so that you can promote this Black Friday special. Now, getting to it, now that Michelle has explained that, what you'll discover in this workshop. This live workshop will give you the blueprint to a profitable online business, even if you've never sold anything online before. Day 1, laying the foundation for a profitable online business. Okay? And she talked about in that video for a second. Day 2, creating a marketing system that attracts and converts. By the way, guys, as she explained, you're going to have access to the replay of this whole workshop. That's the other thing. Let's say you go ahead and get this and you say, oh, I'm working on those 3 days, or I'm out of town. I just won't be able to get on it, but I want it. You still can go ahead and get it, right? And you can go back and watch it. But also, you want to get, and I keep reiterating that, you want to purchase one of the Legacy Builder programs so that you can have this also as a forever green 5th income stream. Okay? All right, let me continue. Day 3, automating and scaling to reach 10K consistently. This is what you're going to get with this workshop. We'll reveal the strategies and processes that allow you to grow without working harder, automate, scale, and reach consistent 10K months faster than you thought possible. So all this is included. Bonus for day 5, live Q&A to help you implement what you learned the last 3 days. This is a 3-day workshop, right? You've got questions. Those questions will be answered. And it's a chance for you to get personal feedback and solutions specific to your journey. Okay? So all this is included. Don't miss this opportunity. Bonus, you get your free built automated system as well. Okay? This is everything that's included in this thing. Here we go. If you're tired of the guesswork, okay, there's a lot of programs out there where you got to guess and try to figure out what you're supposed to do. You don't have any support. You in business for yourself, all right, but over here, you're not by yourself, okay? So support is key as well. So you're going to have the support. We've got a community with over, what, 40-something thousand? Let me see. It's hard to keep up. It's growing so fast. Let me go over here and see if I can see how many we've got now. We've got 46,279 members in this community, okay? This is an active group. This is not one of those communities where you join and nobody's communicating. You can't get anything, any questions answered. Nobody's here to help you. This is a very, 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 very active community. Not to mention the owner of the program is in the community every day, hands-on, all right? So here's what's included in this offer. All right, as she just spoke about, for $67, this exclusive Black Friday offer is packed with everything you need to kickstart your online business. Here's a breakdown of what you're going to get. All right, the Launch to 10K 3-day workshop, 3 days of live interactive training. Day 1, laying the foundation, setting your business with a solid foundation from selecting a profitable niche to creating a magnetic offer. Day 2, marketing that attracts and converts, build a marketing system that brings in customers, turning interest into income. Day 3 is automating and scaling to reach 10K consistently. Learn how to scale and automate your business so it grows consistently without constant effort. Bonus 4, the live Q&A, which I just went over. Get personalized advice, get your questions answered, leave with clarity on every step. You get all access replay page. If you missed a session or want to rewatch the deeper insights, get lifetime access to this entire replay page so you can revisit the training anytime. All right, so that whole workshop is going to be recorded and you can check out the replay. You get your free pre-built automated system. Skip the guesswork with a ready-to-use automated system that simplifies setup and fast-tracks your business launch. Get a copy of this exact funnel that you can use for free. Yeah, this was free, okay, because I'm already a paid member. Okay, and again, doesn't matter whether you purchased a 100, 300, 600, or 900, you can get this funnel for free. Okay. Exclusive Black Friday upgrade opportunity. Stay ahead with new strategies and content updates at no additional cost. Fast Start Resource Pack. Get instant access to templates, checklists, and guides for a faster start. VIP access to advanced marketing secrets. Discover insider strategies designed to give you a competitive edge in attracting and converting customers. All this is included. Okay. And my link is in the description to check it out. And then you see this page, this funnel, it has testimonies, which these are real testimonies. If you go inside the community, you'll see that these are real people, everyday average people. They're not gurus that's been doing this for years. All right. So this page, this will do all the sifting, selling, and telling for you, because remember, this you'll be able to use as a fifth income stream. But I'm just showing you what's included in the workshop, the 3-day workshop. All right. For only a measly $67. All right. So just wanted to come back and talk to you guys about that. Go check this out. Get all the details. Get on my list. All right. If you want this to be a fifth income stream for you, though, right? Because again, it's going to be recorded and we're going to be able to have this as an evergreen program, as a fifth program in this system. You want to come and pick one of these programs. All right. 100, 300, 600, or 900. It's up to you. Get in where you fit in. Of course, you leave no money on the table if you go all in. So we've got 4 programs here, but now I've got the 5th one because I'm already a member and I was able to get that funnel I just showed you for free, and you can too. So let's check it out real quick. All right, here's the 4 programs. You got the launch pad. It's $100. It's $29 for your website. No monthly fees here. It's a one-time payment, one-time investment. You're done. Launch pad, $100. Okay, website $29. So $129. You're in. The daily pay blueprint, $329. The digital mastery, $629. If you go all in, you get the legacy builder program. You get everything for $929. And remember, every time you sell one of these programs, guys, you earn instant commissions. Okay, this is 100% instant commissions. No middleman. There's nobody going to pay you. Okay, from the company. You're paid instantly and directly. This is a direct sales member-to-member program. Okay? So you're going to be paid instantly. No overhead. That's the other thing. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection and a smart device. Okay? This page basically breaks down all the programs. Launchpad, just went over that. The daily pay blueprint, everything that's included in each program. You know what you're getting up front before you even purchase the program. The digital mastery, and as I stated, every time someone goes to your site and purchases one of these programs, you earn instant commissions. Cha-ching. Okay? You're also going to get these bonuses. Okay? They're included. Doesn't matter which program you purchase, you're going to get these bonuses as well. All right, so just wanted to come back and show you guys that. A little bit more details about the bonus. It's now or never. Get started. We're one day from a new month and the last month of 2024. So if you're ready to get started with an online business, step by step, this program is definitely my #1 recommended program. I've been a part of it since it launched back in March, before it actually even launched. Okay, so 4 income streams. You're able to get 5 income streams if you purchase one of these now, one of these programs, 1, 3, 6, or 9. You're able to get the Black Friday deal for free. The workshop is free, okay, because you are a paid member. You purchased one of the programs, so that gives you 5 income streams. All right, and then for the folks that just want to check it all out, you're not quite ready, here you are, the launch, okay, the 3-day workshop. Okay, and you can just read over all this, guys, but all you would do is come down here, fill out your information, use your debit card or credit card, make your payment. You'll instantly get an email that will give you access so that you can go ahead and purchase. All right, get your workshop. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.
In the workshop.